Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is your brother Abdullah, who will be taking for you mathematics of high school, as you can see on the whiteboard. Okay, we are going to discuss about graphical solutions of simultaneous equations. We are not saying graphical solutions of simultaneous linear equations. We are not saying that. We are saying graphical solutions of simultaneous equation. This is the concept of Form 3 for your information. So how will I know that this kind of graph I'll be solving, this kind of simultaneous equations I'll be solving graphically is the one of Form 3? Bear in mind that between the two equations given, one will be quadratic and the other one will be linear. So the moment you encounter such kind of equations where one of them is quadratic and the other one is linear, you are dealing with the concept of Form 3, okay? You are not dealing with the concept of Form 1, because we say in Form 1, when we were solving linear equations graphically in Form 1, we say it's obvious that we'll be having what? Two linear equations, okay? Here, before we start solving this thing graphically, I will give you the stealing way of getting their answers, okay? You foretell their answers or you predict their answers, okay? So for you to know that, or for you to do that, okay, for you to steal their answers, you must know linear equation, okay? As well as this time you must know again particularly how to solve quadratic equation, okay? Don't forget that. Okay, you must be in a position of solving linear equations simultaneously and quadratic equation using the quadratic formula or the product and sum method for information. Okay. Now, without wasting time, guys, let's see the first example. But bear in mind that before we start solving it graphically, we are going to steal their answers. Okay. Let's go. This is the first example for your information. You're told solve the following. This is our example 1, guys. This is our example 1. You're told solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically, okay? Graphically. Graphically. Okay. This is the first one. We have y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay? And the other one is y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Can you see now? We have one which is quadratic. The one with the power is called a quadratic. While this one is linear. So you are expected, as far as the solution is concerned, you are expected to come up with two tables. Okay? One that will form the curve, the function which is y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1, and another one that will give you the linear equation, okay? The one that will give you the straight line, the straight line. So in this situation, let me steal them. Let me know their answers, okay? And remember, when we have one which is quadratic and another which is linear, we will have two values for x and two values for y for your information, guys. Very straightforward, okay? Understand, please. So let me steal their answers, okay? Do you know how you're going to steal their answers? You're going to say, they said one time, stealing the answers. Look here. Stealing what? The answers. I want you to steal their answers, please. Bear witness here. I will say, one time they said y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. Another time they said y is equal to 5 minus 2x. You're going to say, Pat, y is equal to y. This is true. Wherever it is, whether it's in the first equation or in the second equation, y value is equal to y value. So this is the case. I'll say x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to this value, 5 minus 2x. I'm stealing, yeah? This is not the right procedure, but I'm stealing the answers. Understand? So let me correct this 2 here. I will have x squared minus 2x, which is this one. Take this one to this side because it's negative here. On the other side, it will be positive. Plus 2x plus 1, which is this one. Minus 5 is equal to 0. Remember, I'm stealing the answers. So I will have x squared, these two will go, minus 2x plus 2x is 0, minus 5, minus what? Minus 4 in this situation, plus 1 minus 5, minus 4 is equal to 0. I will take this one to the other side. Please understand this thing. Very, very easy. Okay? I'll say x squared is equal to 4. I'll take 4 to the other side. Introduce root then. Introduce, yeah? Introduce root on both sides. So you'll have x is equal to plus or minus the root of what? 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. Which means x is equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 2. Look here, I want to predict their answers. I want to steal them. But they will never know that. I will do there at the back of the table, by the back of the table. Just understand. So I will come here and say like this. I want to see the answers. When x is 2, I will come here, or I can even take this one. But let me take this one to avoid confusion. When x is 1, y is equal to what? 5 minus 2x. So substitute the value of x here. So y is equal to 5 minus 2 times 2. So y is equal to 5 minus 4. So y is equal to 1. So this is 1 point. 2, 1. Because x is 2. This is 1 point of it. I've gotten the answers. One of the answers I've gotten, okay? Then, when also say like this, when x is equal to negative 2. But y is equal to what? 5 minus 2x. So y is equal to 5 minus 2 times negative 2. So y is equal to 5 plus, because negative times x is both 4, which is equal to 9. So this is the other point. Negative 2, 9. From the graph, this is what they are going to mark. You are done. This is the answers. These are the answers. So this is one of the answers. This is also another one. So these are their answers. The marking scheme. I'm stealing them. You can just understand. So now this is not how we are going to solve. We are stealing. We know that these are the answers. Okay? We have already grabbed. It is there at the back of the table. Yeah? We are getting them. Don't forget using the pencil. Yeah? Okay. Now this is how we have foretold the answers. We have predicted the answers. These are the answers. Now let me solve it graphically now. I hope you're with me. If you have learned the concept of quadratic in Form 2, you will not have problem here. My friend, equate these two equations, then solve it quadratically. Okay? Then you're very lucky because you'll have x squared is equal to 4. Introduce both sides root, yeah? Then x is equal to plus or minus the root of 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. So one time x is positive 2, the other time is x what? Negative 2 for your information, guys. What's that here? This is how we deal with the quadratic graphs. Very easy, in case easy. So let's go and solve it graphically, okay? This time, graphically. Bear witness here, please. Don't forget that one of the points, what? 2, 1, and the other one is negative 2, 9. Don't forget that one. Okay? Let me write somewhere here, so that you bear witness. One point is 2, 1. This is 1 point. When x is what? When x is 2, yeah? 2, 1, and the other one is what? Negative 2, 9. Let me solve it graphically. Okay, let's go. Look here. I know the answers, yeah? Don't forget. We are in Africa, don't forget. We have to steal. We must steal them, okay? Because they are answers, we must steal them. Let's go. We are in Africa. So let me take this one. Y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now this is what? This is the function of the curve, okay? We are going to come up with a we will come up with a curve, okay? Now I can start with any value. Let me say negative 2, okay? Then negative 1, and 0, and 1, 2, 3. Can I stop there? Or even let me add 4. 4. This is x here, don't forget. Then let me have y is equal to, look here. Here, I'll have y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1 for this one. Look here. So let me fill this gap. So this will carry almost 3 marks or 4 marks in case easy. Filling this one. So when x is negative 2, bear witness here please. We have, look here, x squared, negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 2 squared is what? Is 4. Negative 2 times negative 2, because x is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 again is another 4, which is positive. Plus 1. That is 9. So this is 9. So when x is negative 1, it will be 1 plus 2, because negative 1 squared is what? Is positive 1. Negative 2 times negative 1, because x is negative 1, that's 2. 3. 3 plus 1, 4. There's nothing here. When you substitute 0 here as x value, don't forget that all this will go. So we are left with 1. Substitute here 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1 plus 1. Because here we say negative 2 times 1. It is negative 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Plus 1 is 0. Very easy. There's nothing here. Take 2 now. 2 squared is what? 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 1, 1. What's the idea? There's nothing here. 3 squared, because x is 3, 9. 9 minus 6, because negative 2 times 3 is 6. That is 3 plus 1, 4. 16, because of 4 squared, 16 minus 8, because negative 2 times 4 is minus 8. 16 minus 8 is what? Is 8 plus 1, 9. I'm done here. Look at this one. How mathematics is where. So this is 3 marks in KZZ. I'll come up with again another table for this one. We have y is equal to 5 minus 2x. This is very easy. X1. This is linear. 2 points is enough. Let me take 2 points here. It's enough, by the way. You can still make it 3. Let's make it 3 here. You can add another one. However, 2 points are enough. So I'll say when x is 1, obviously y will be 5 minus 2 times 1. That is 3. 5 minus 2. Then when x is 2, this is 1. Because y is equal to 5 minus 2, negative 2 times 2 is what? Negative 4. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. So let me take negative 1 here. Negative 1. So that is 8. Why? Why are we saying 8? Why? Please answer this question. Because 5 minus 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Sorry, this is 7. Not 8. Sorry. This is 7. So again, another 3 marks. KZZ is fair now. I'm telling you, KZZ is very easy. So what you do, you draw the curve and the straight line. So when the straight line cuts the curve, is the solution. Those two. Very easy. Come here. Let me draw a straight line here. Bear witness here. Let me use this one this side. Forget about this paper here. Let me have it here in the pocket. So now I'll wrap. Wait. I think this is very nice. Yeah, this is very nice, baby. You should not wrap this thing. Okay? Let's go. We are in Kenya, remember, where life is possible. Life is 100% possible. Okay? Look here. So here, what I will do is, look here, we don't have negative. So what am I doing here? Let me wrap this one. Okay? Let me wrap to this point, guys. Look here. No. What I'm gonna do is, I'll come here. This is x-axis here. Let me also wrap this part and make it straight. Great. Don't forget that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Please write this thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enough. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This is negative 2. I have problem with BG2. Negative 4. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. This is 1, which is positive. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enough. Because the highest one is what? It's 9. So let me plot. When x is negative 2, y is 9. Negative 2, 9. So the problem here is we are using the whiteboard. But let's at least try our best here. Oh, great. Negative 1, 4. Negative 1, 4. What's that here? There's nothing hard here, friends. Well, there's nothing hard here. Unless or otherwise you want to make things complicated. Then we have 0, 1. 0, 1. Then we have 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 2. Let me confirm here. 2, 1. Let me see my values here. 2, 1. Because I need to know. Yeah, it should be 2, 1. 2, 1. So I'll come here. 2, 1 is this one. 2x, y, 1. Okay? 2, 1. Okay? Then we'll have 3, 4. 3, 4. Somewhere there. 3, 4. Don't forget that the white man, the black man here is using what? The whiteboard. Okay? So there must be at least some collisions over information. Now, let's now see this thing. Let's go, guys. For the work should be smart, yeah? 3, 4, 4, 9. 4, may God bless us. 4, 9. 9. That is the point. 4, 9. So what will I do? I'll draw my curve. Guys, look here. Be very keen. Okay? Be very keen here. Okay? I'll draw this one. Let me confirm these points because I want to have something right now. 9, 4, 1. Ah, that's true. So I will do like this. Great. Very smart. Writing the equation on top of the curve is smart. Okay? Function. The function of the curve is what? X, y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay? What's remaining? This one. 1, 3. 1, 3. Somewhere there. 1, 3. 2, 1. 2, 1. This point. Can't you see already we have? Look here. 2, 1 is there. Can't you see? Because the straight line, I'm sure will pass. See now. It will pass there. So, 1. Bring this one here. The problem is you see the whiteboard. Don't have the graph. -1, 7. -1, 7. May God help us. So can't you see the straight again? Very nice work, by the way. So I'll join these 3. Sorry. Let me join them. Okay. Okay. Let me also extend this one. That's great, man. That's great. Let me also extend this one. So this one, and this one. Very nice work, by the way. Look at this. So let me write this one. Here, y is equal to 5 minus what? 2x. Now, the solution here is, because you need to draw this one, the curve plus the straight line, don't forget. Here, the solution is where the straight line cuts the curve. The points where this is one point and this another point. At this point, when you look downward, look here, x is 2. Then y is what? Y is 1. So we are going to say when x is 2, comma, y is equal to 1. You inform them, it's here. Look at that. Or you can give them in a point form, okay? In a point form, just as that. Okay, when you start at this point, y is what? Look there, y is 7. So when you move straight, x is what? -2. Look at that. Look at that. Move downward. X will be -2. Look at that. X is -2. Let me not make this thing that. Okay? So can't you see now? Look downward. Look here. X is -2. So we're going to say when x is equal to -2, comma, y is equal to 9. We have the answers. It's here. These are the answers. So that's how you're going to solve such kind of simultaneous equation where one is linear and the other one is what? Is quadratic, guys. Can I help you again? Yeah, of course. Let me also give you one more example so that you understand this thing. Okay, we move ahead then. Okay, don't worry about it. This is very easy in KCSE, guys. We have studied the answers. It is there with us. But this is how you're going to solve it graphically. Just understand, yeah? So now let's go and see the second example for your information. Let's take less time this time because I'm sure you have digested this one. Let's go and see this one. Example 2. Example 2. Filling the table, getting the right values is must. Otherwise, you will not get this thing. This thing matters when you have. You'll get this one when you have the right table. Okay. So getting or filling the table in a right manner is very, very essential for such kind of questions in KCSE, guys, for your information. Now let's see the second example. We will also steal the answer. Don't forget. We are here in Africa. We will steal them because they are asking us. Okay. When you go to outside world like Canada and America, you will not see such kind of questions in mathematics. They are asking us, so we must also steal them. Okay, let's see this one. This is B, that was A. Y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 1. Then we have y is equal to 2x plus 1. So I will steal the answers. Look here. I'll say steal the answers. Steal what? The answers. Look here. Don't forget to steal them because they are asking you. Okay, but make sure you steal them at the back of the mathematical table. So we have y is equal to what? Y is equal to y. So I will say x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. So collect these two. So to this side, yeah, x squared plus 4x minus 2x. Because when you take this one to this side, it will be negative. Plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll have x squared plus 2x is equal to 0 because these two will go. What's common here? X outside, x plus 2. I'm factorizing here. Common letter is x is equal to 0. So one time x is equal to 0, this x is equal to 0. Another time x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 2. So these are two possible values for x. Then I'll say when x is 0, comma, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So y is equal to 1. Why? Because 2 times 0 is 0 to go. We are left with 1. So this is the point. 1 point is what? 0, comma 1. This is 1 point. I've already started. I've started the answer. But this is it. So we have to stop there. Let me also get the other one. When x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So it will be 2 times negative 2 plus 1. Okay? 2x plus 1, yeah? So y is equal to negative 4 plus 1. So y is equal to negative 3. Please understand this thing. Very, very well coming here. Just understand. So this will be the other point, yeah? Okay? Negative 2, comma, negative 3. So these are the two answers. These are the KCSE answers here. Don't forget. We have stolen the answers. Okay? So far we have stolen the answers. At the back of the mathematical table, we will come up with these two tables again. One which is the function of the curve, and the other one which is linear. Okay, a table which gives us a linear or a straight line. Then we will go for them. What is the problem here? This is the stealing. We have the answers here at the back. Don't forget. Now let me wrap this thing. Okay, having this knowledge. Okay, let me wrap and say like this. But before I wrap now, let me wrap these two. Because I've stolen the answers. Let me write these two. 1 point will be 0, 1. The other one is what? The other one is negative 2, negative 3. So let's confirm. Let it up now. This is how you're going to steal their answers. Yeah, we have stolen their answers. We must stop them, these guys, for us to get A in mathematics. Okay? We will steal their property, which is their question. Okay? Question. Now, this is the first one. Solve it now graphically. Look here. When we want to solve it graphically, look here. We have y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 1. I can still check. I will start with negative 2. Or even I can start with negative 3. Then This is x here, don't forget. Okay, negative 2, then 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, later on even you can add 4 if possible. Yeah? There's no problem with that. You can add. This is not a verse of God. Okay, you can add and subtract numbers here. The choice is yours, man. This is what you normally call the range. Yeah? Then here I will have y is equal to, try that one, x squared plus 4x plus 1. So when x is negative 3, come here. This is 9. Okay? This is what? Because negative 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 12. Because 4 times negative 3 is 12. Okay. 9 minus 12 is what? That's negative 3. Plus this one, negative 2. Okay? Negative 2. Okay. Then let me substitute with the x value, which is negative 2. 4 minus 8 is negative 4, negative 3. This y. Negative 2 squared is 4. This will be minus because positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So 4 minus 8 is negative 4 plus 1, negative 3. Okay, negative 1 squared is 1 minus 4, that's negative 3 plus 1, negative 2. So this is 1 because these 2 will go. Here we'll have 1 squared is 1 plus 4 because 1 times 4 is 4. 5 plus that one is 6. 2 squared is how much? 4. 4 plus 8. 4 times 2. 8 plus 4, 12. This is 13. 3 squared is 9 plus 12. 4 times 3, 21 plus this one. 9 plus 12. That is 21. 21 plus 1, 23. Sorry, 22. So I'm done. Then you close this one. Okay? I'm done with this one. So let me go to the next one. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. So x and y, 3 points again. Okay? When x is 1, this is 3. Because 2 times 1 is 2 plus this one. When x is 2, this is what? This is 5, okay? 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. When x is negative 1, then y is also? Y is 1. Why? Because y is also negative 1. Because 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So 3 marks plus 3 marks, already 6 marks around. We are left with what? With 4 marks plus by doing this one. So here I'll take 22 for y. Because you can see now I have 22. Let me draw this 3 then again. Okay. Okay. This is axis. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. This is y-axis, don't forget. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Enough. Negative 1, negative 2. Sorry, I will take to 2 here. Don't forget that, please. I will be taking to 2 here. Don't forget that. This is negative 2, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10. Negative 3, negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2. Somewhere here. Negative 3, negative 2. Somewhere there. Negative 2, negative 3. Negative 2, negative 3. Negative 2, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Then we have 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 is the point between 0 and 2. 0, 1, 1, 6, 1 6 1 6. Then we have 213. 213. Okay. Then we'll have 322. 322. So what will I do? I'll say like this. Nah. Yeah. So this is how you're going to do. You can still add 4 here, negative 4, then it will be 16 minus 16, 0, 1. So negative 4, 1. Negative 4, 1. Okay, negative 4, 1 is this one. So I can still do this one. Okay, you can add, once you add 4 here, it will be, look here. Let me start with the negative 4. This is 1. Okay, this is x and this is y is equal to x squared plus what? Plus 4x plus 1. So what are we going to do? What are we going? Let's draw this straight line. 1 3 1 1 3 1 3 is here. 1 3. Then the other one is 2 5 2 2 5 2 5. Then the other one is negative 1 negative 1, which is this one. Negative 1 is here, sorry. Remember, this is negative 1. So negative 1 is somewhere here. Okay? Somewhere there. So I'll take a ruler and join these two again. Okay? Draw the straight line. So where is the point? Can't you see? 1 is this one. That is 0. This is 1 point. Where this straight line is cut in the curve. That is, can't you see now? 1 0 1. This is 1 point. So we are going to say like this. When x is at this point, when x is 0, is equal to 0, comma, when x is equal to 0, yes, comma, because on the y-axis x is 0, comma, y is equal to 1. At this point, can't you see now? Y is 1. It's between 0 and 2. But x is 0. Okay? We will also say, come to this point again. This is the other point. At this point, when x is negative 2, y is negative 3. Follow here. Look at that. So, when x is equal to negative 2, comma, y is equal to negative 3, it's here. So that's how you're going to solve in KCSE. But don't forget writing the equation on top of the line. It will be very like that. So y is equal to 2x plus 1, this one. And for the curve, we have y is equal to x squared. X squared, look at this one. X squared plus 4x plus 1. Writing the equations on top of the line, be it the linear or the curve, is must in KCSE. Can't you see now how it's very easy? Okay? Why are you waiting? Make sure you subscribe and share this information the moment you come across. Yeah? You subscribe. Okay? You like it. You share it to your family members and friends who are serving it at the school. Okay? Okay? I wish you the best. Until next time, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel. Leave your comment in our comment box. Till next time, wish you the best.